y'all, I have this mechanical keyboard to share with you. This is absolutely beautiful. It is blue, white, and purple here, but it is backlit and can be rainbow once you turn that on, which I think is super cool. So this has some little stands on the back here. You have little ones and you also have larger ones depending on what you want to get out of it. And then you have all of the keys that you need. Soft touch, not loud at all. And I like how it feels. It's not feeling like I have to press really hard or nothing. They are very easy to touch and get to type. You have, like I said, you have all the keys you need and probably even more here. And so this also has some shortcuts on here as well. So if you need to do your brightness or talk to Siri or whatever it is, increase, decrease your volume, you can do that from your keyboard. That way, if you are using another laptop or computer and you want to sit back and not have to be right onto it, you're able to control that from this keyboard, which I think is really nice. Like I said, this is backlit, so you have many different modes you can do. This comes with some extra little pieces for the keys, and then this tool in which you will use to take off the keys, because this is a mechanical keyboard. You do have that feature in which you can just pull off some of the keys if you would want, if you want to rearrange them or get new ones and whatnot. And then they easily go right back on like so. And this also has another end you can use to pull them off like so. And then again, I can just push it back on and it's like nothing ever happened. It also comes with this cord to use for the power, and it is a USB to a USB-C. So I highly recommend this. This is a great keyboard. I absolutely love it. It is just beautiful to the eye, and it's also a very good quality. So definitely check this out.